Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Let's break down one of the biggest Bitcoin price action bloodbaths of 2024. The good news is, it looks like we've weathered the storm. Bitcoin dipped a massive 14.91% from the all-time high of $108,300. It took exactly 70 hours to finally find a bottom at $92,200. This wasn't a straight line drop. We had a few stops along the way. Remember the yellow channel I talked about? The one between $99,600 and $101,500? I expected some consolidation there, and we almost got it. The first stop came yesterday after 30 hours of dumping. We briefly dipped below the yellow channel, found ground at $99,600, and climbed back up. That's when I entered a long position at $102,000, expecting a sharp V-shaped recovery. The price even climbed to $102,700, but then we dumped to a lower level at $96,600. From there, Bitcoin consolidated for 12 hours before today's final leg, down to $92,200. After hitting that bottom, we bounced back above $96,600 and are consolidating there. Right now, as I record this, Bitcoin is sitting at $97,200, and I'm expecting higher numbers over the weekend. The aftermath of this crash? A whopping $1.2 billion in liquidations. That's billion with a B. Looking at the heat map, it's clear the downside is almost cleared out. All the hot pockets are above us now, with targets at $98,300, $98,400 to $99,400 on the one-day liquidation heat map. The one-week heat map shows even higher targets at $102,800, $105,600, and $108,400. Now about the ETF flows. December 19th saw negative $671.9 million in outflows. BlackRock didn't buy or sell that day. But let's not forget days like December 14th, when we saw positive $637.5 million in inflows. A big sell day like this isn't the end of the world. It's a lesson for sellers to hold, especially when quick reversals like this happen. Join our free Discord for real-time updates on everything. If you like this content, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell to stay updated. Let's see where Bitcoin takes us next, and see you in the next one.